Moving on to ridiculous news. The $17,000 Apple Watch. Do you guys remember this? It came out about 3 years ago, back in 2015, and it cost $17,000, all plated in gold. Here it is here. This is a picture taken from cultofmac.com of the gold Apple Watch edition that they call it. And I had to grab this screenshot because I just think it's absolutely priceless. Cultofmac.com says, despite the heavy price tag, the 18 karat gold Apple Watch edition might actually be too cheap. So $17,000 Apple Watch. We made lots and lots of fun of this particular device about 3 years ago. I made fun of it because why would you do that sort of thing? If you're going to spend huge amounts of money on a watch, probably best not be a gadget that will expire in a couple of years. When I made fun of it for saying that it probably wouldn't be supported more than a few years, a lot of people yelled at me on the internet. Well, now Apple has released watchOS 5, version 5, where you can be more active and stay better connected than ever before for your Apple Watches. Unfortunately, that $17,000 Apple Watch from 3 years ago is end of life and is not getting the new operating system, is effectively a dead watch now. Sure, it will continue to function, but will no longer receive new updates, new security updates, new feature updates, and as the devices that they pair with, because these Apple Watch devices are very closely tied to their iOS counterparts, such as their iPhones, as those get updated, the odds of them continuing to be able to function dwindle rapidly over time. Which means that Apple, if you purchase such a watch, you are spending more than $5,000 per year before the device is end of life. That is truly delightful. Thank you to Apple for being so awesome and supporting your mega expensive hardware for so long. This clip from the Lunduk Show is brought to you by makers of Lulzbot Mini and the Lulzbot Taz 3D printers. Find out more over at lulzbot.com. Every patron of the Lunduk Show gets access to full-length DRM-free video downloads and MP3 audio versions of each and every show with handy-dandy RSS feeds. Find out more at patreon.com/Brian Lunduk.